Hi everyone, so we've got some footage of the house back in October, and then I've got some footage of it yesterday, which was the day after Christmas. So I just thought I'd show you a few clips that I've got on my camera reel. Want to keep you guys updated on what's going on, so I'm pretty sure you'll be able to tell which ones are before and which ones are during, because the house is upside down right now. And I hope you enjoy the updates, and I will see you guys in the outro.
Welcome to the palace. Okay, wow. Oh, I've left the keys in the door. Good start. Really good start, Leah. Whoa, okay, here we are. Smells pretty bad, doesn't it, Mum? Come on in.
Let's go and have a look-see.
Yeah, this is the other room. Wow, that looks like a leak. Kitchen.
Oh, it's a nice galley kitchen. No, it is.
Obviously, all of this is getting ripped out and it's all going to be new. I can't believe it. I can't believe how long ago we viewed this in like the middle of lockdown, and now here we are. Come and see the garden. Oh, the smells bad, isn't it, Mum?
What a lovely cooker. Please don't.
Mum, it's getting ripped out later on today.
Can't let them rip that out. I want that.
Mum, it doesn't go with your house. It's disgusting.
I'll put it in the shed.
You want the cooker?
It's fantastic. Do you know how expensive these are? You need to sell it.
Mum, are you joking?
No, these cost thousands.
Is that an Arga?
It's an Arga Rangemaster, yeah. And the cooker hood.
No,
you need to sell it. No, seriously, you need to sell it. You'll get good money for that. Okay, this is the utility, I guess.
This is obviously all going to be part of the kitchen.
Oh, right, okay.
But we have to address this.
Got a little bit of work to do there.
Welcome to the overgrown garden. It actually looks worse when you view it without like anything in it. But that's good, because that means the transformation is going to be amazing. This is the garden. There's a shed down there, but it's just too... That little shared alleyway there.
Yeah.
That's what took the solicitors so long. There was like all these unanswered questions, like to do with a flying freehold. So it's like there's this area of the house that's like over whose ground. Is it theirs? Is it ours?
It's shared, isn't it? It's a shared...
Mum, you're not a lawyer, but...
Sorry, I would have thought...
I don't know anything about it. She was explaining it to me on the phone and I was like, okay, can we just get these questions answered? And that's what took a long time, as well as a few other things. Now let's go upstairs.
Okay, lovely jubbly. You need to sell that sink. They cost a lot of money.
Mum, stop with everything costing money. What is pricey about this?
People love these sinks. You could probably get £100 for that.
Okay.
They love those sinks. They're the best sinks you can buy. They're so hard wearing.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Okay.
You tend to find the stairs in houses like this are usually, very steep.
This is when Natch was walking up the stairs on the viewing, and then like he went to hold on to the banister, and as he held on to it, it came out the wall. It was so funny. He was trying so hard not to laugh. This is the biggest of the rooms. There's the attic and the closet.
Oh, the loft hatch.
Exactly.
It's another bedroom.
Another bedroom here.
Another good size.
Yeah.
They are fantastic size rooms.
What we were thinking, not sure, I was going to speak to the builders later, is this is all going to get knocked through. And the bathroom's actually going to be downstairs.
That's how it usually is in a 2 up, 2 down.
So this is all going to be knocked through to here.
Okay.
And all of this would be another bedroom. As you can see, it's quite dusty. Look at that.
No, you don't want me to talk to you about that shower pod, do you?
What's wrong? You want the shower pod?
I don't want the shower pod, the shower enclosure.
This?
Yeah.
You want that?
No, I don't want that.
Which?
You can sell that.
What's the enclosure?
Just the shower screen.
You want this?
No, I don't want that. I'm saying you could sell it.
Another thing to sell?
Another thing to sell.
If you want to sell things, you can, but I haven't got the time.
She hasn't got the time.
Right, well, have you enjoyed the tour, Mum?
Very nice. I'm looking forward to the transformation.
Yeah, me too. The hard work starts now.
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
It's a really good sized property.
That's good. I'm glad you like it. I'm going to close up the house now. I've done all my before and after, well, just the befores, none of the afters shots. Check I've locked the back door. I've had a good look around. It's a really surreal, strange feeling. I can't stop laughing at all the stuff my mum said I should sell, but that's not, right now, that's like not the priority. If she wants to come and do it, she can, but we've got bigger fish to fry than selling an oven. I really need to sanitise my hands. Overall, feels like a lot of work to be done. Building controller on their way, and then also the rip out begins this afternoon. So everything's gonna get ripped out and it's gonna begin. Luckily I'm gonna be getting video updates along the way, and I'm gonna be making quite a few frequent visits up here to come and see the house. Atch is gonna be coming up on Thursday or Friday. So all in all, that's good. I think we're in safe hands, which is good. And lastly, for people asking how long we think it's going to take, we've been told 12 weeks. So today is the 19th of October. So I guess just before Christmas. Might be able to find people that are looking to move in just before Christmas as well. So it could be good timing. Or January is quite good because, you know, new start, new me, new year. A lot of people do that. I'm laughing at this Greggs advert that's come through the post because Greggs are just sending around a sausage roll like that, saying you can now get Greggs delivered to your door on Just Eat. They just post a sausage roll picture. I just think that's really funny. Right, gotta go.
Okay, just a little update. We've made a start on the property here. As you can see, we started to strip the wallpaper, turn off the central heating and get ready to relocate pipes. Come through, you can see we started stripping the wallpaper off. Well, it's the first job we do just to assess the situation of the walls. There's a lot of work going on over the weekend, so come the early part of next week, you should see some changes. Walls are stripped, ready, coming through here. All stripped off, doors off, ready for the next stage. So what will happen here, we're going to stud that off and put the door and take out all this wall. Everything here, this will be a large bedroom. Again, everything here is disconnected, we just need to rip it out. But yeah, progress. Again, early part of next week, there'll be even bigger changes. As you can see, we're just putting some stud work up to create the first ground floor en suite. What we've done, there's been a hole dug there. So we'll tunnel underneath and pick up the main sewer run outside where we'll have an inspection chamber. See there, the main soil stack will run down through. Let's take you through. This property was originally going to be a 3 into a 4. Now it's 4 bed, all with ensuite. Take you through to this. So we've got a bit of an outhouse here. What we will be doing, batten, insulate, board and build some stud work to create a cupboard to house the tank system. On the previous video, this was, as you can see, old lath and plaster. It just wasn't salvageable. It wouldn't have been any good just to plaster over. So what we'll do, we'll have the soundboard on this side with the acoustic insulation in between. And on inside the room, we'll have the fireboard. As I pointed out before, we've got the stud work up now. Rip the old fire out, come in. We've got the main drainage stack in. So that goes underneath the house. We've got concrete lintel there on the other side, which I'll take outside shortly. So this is ready now for the lads to run the cables through for the electrics. As you can see, we've ripped out all the old stuff. First fix plumbing about to start as well. And you see how we've boarded. Celotex got stud work out. And then here, the boiler room. As you can see, got the fireboard there, Celotex. Insulation board up there. Area here is for the boiler cupboard. We reposition the boiler possibly over there and get it straight out so it's right near the tank. Haven't decided just yet. See, fireboard and board up the old chimney. We'll put a little air vent in there. Take you through. Bricks and rubble, that'll be cleared up shortly. Come through into here. As you can see, that's a stack, so that'll come up through, pick the toilet up, and the shower and the sink will be over there. Obviously this section was the old cupboard. We'll stud that out. And then if I come through this way, what we've done, looking back through, you can see that is the ensuite for the middle room. And what we'll do, this newly created door frame, we'll step in and this will house the shower, and then here, toilet and the sink, and then the drainage will obviously come through and pick up the main stack there. And we've got the sound insulation in, and then again, all the old air is stripped off. and ready for the first fix electrics.
Hi everyone, so I've come to the house to have a little look at how the refurb is getting on, and it's looking really, really good. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, but we actually ended up changing the plans in the end so that every room has got its own ensuite, and the decision for that came from mostly COVID and also just from like research of the area, and most of the people that were asking for rooms were all asking about ensuite. So it seems as if the people that work at the hospital here are mostly getting inquiries from like nurses and stuff. They all want an ensuite. So, you know, give the people what they want. I'll show you a little bit of what it's looking like. This is bedroom 4 actually. And I don't know if you remember the old family bathroom that was here. Now, obviously that's turned into an ensuite. I'm sorry, there's not much light. This is the bedroom, into the corridor. You got bedroom 3, where I just shot that video. And bedroom 3's got its ensuite there. Back down here, we moved to bedroom 2. Sorry, I just have to be very careful. Bedroom 2, the one at the front of the house. And then, don't know if you remember the wardrobe here. That's now the sort of ensuite. And we've actually like made bedroom 3 a little bit bigger by eating into some of the wardrobe space of bedroom 1. This was actually the biggest room. I think it still is a really good size. I'm not sure if the camera's sort of like doing it much justice, but it is looking really good. So it is quite a good size still. So now I'll show you downstairs. Didn't imagine myself here on the day after Christmas, but just wanted to kind of have a look around to see how it was going. So obviously I've been having videos from the builders, but you know, kind of want to look at it with my own eyes as well. Okay, downstairs, you might remember this room. This is now the main reception room, sort of sofa area, living room. You can see the builders have got their little pile of rubbish there. Looks like they were enjoying a McDonald's. I don't blame them at all. Moving into the kitchen area, but before we go there, this is actually the main front door to the entire property. So you'll see why in a moment. So this is actually the kitchen. And then I'll just take you to bedroom 1, because bedroom 1 has got the original front door to the house, but no one will use that door apart from bedroom 1. Just come to this little big bay window area. So, as you can see, that will be the ensuite for bedroom 1. It's all looking really, really good. I'm really happy with it. No progress or updates on the garden or anything yet. I saw loads of comments that were saying, you need to go and see what's in that shed. Well, to be honest with you, I'm quite scared. I don't really want to know what's in the shed. Remember this room? Yeah. Oh God, the garden looks awful. Yeah, so the shed's down there. Part of me wants to have a look now, because I feel like people would be going on their screen like, go on, have a look. Oh my gosh, no, I don't want to. So I'm just going to lock up now and I'm going to get out of here, guys.
Thank you so much for watching another video, guys. Don't forget you can go back and watch some of our other property couple videos about the floor plan. Well, it's actually the old floor plan. We ended up going ahead with the en-suites now in every room, partly due to demand in the area and partly due to COVID. It just seems safer and more guaranteed that we'll find tenants and things like that. So yeah, that's the latest update. Wanted to show you guys the progress, and once again, thank you so much for watching and staying connected. It's really nice to document it all on YouTube and over on our Instagram page. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I said we, but it was just me here. Arch is very much involved in this, but I'm very much involved in the editing side of things, and he's very much inside with the actual management of the refurb side of things. So hope that makes it a bit clearer. We've got our roles here. I'm the YouTuber. He is him.